Hello students, welcome to P Square Circle Pathshala. In last session, we have seen how to write a set by using set builder form or rule method. Now we'll start with the equal sets, new concept and very simple. Two sets A and B are said to be equal if every element of set A is in set B and every element of set B is in set A. So for an example, we can consider set A as having elements A, B, C, D, and set B is having an element D, C, B, A. So you can see that here all the elements of set A are in set B and all the elements of set B are in set A. Just order of element is changed, but we have same elements. So we can say that set A and set B are equal sets. And symbolically, it is written as A is equals to B. Very simple concept. Let's see some based on this concept from practice set 1.2. Question is, decide which of the following are equal sets and which are not. Justify your answer. So here we have three sets A, B, C. Set A is set of all x such that 3x minus 1 is equals to 2. So here we have set A consists of all the elements of x. That means we have to find out the element for set A. That is nothing but we have to find out the value of x from this given equation. So first of all, we have to solve this equation. 3x minus 1 is equals to 2. We have to solve and get the value of x. So 3x is equals to 2 plus 1. Therefore, 3x is equals to 3. Therefore, x is equals to 1. That means set A consists of only one element, that is 1, because x is equals to 1. Similarly, set B is a set of all x such that x is a natural number but x is neither prime nor composite. So we know that here we have only one number which is neither prime nor composite, that is 1. Therefore, B is also consisting of one element, that is 1. Next one, C is a set of all x such that x belongs to natural number but there is a condition, x is less than 2. So we want a natural number which is less than 2. So natural number less than 2 is only one number, that is 1. So C is also having one element, that is 1. So you can see that all the elements of set A, B and C are same. That means A is equals to B is equals to C. So these sets are equal sets. Let us take next sum. Decide whether set A and B are equal sets and give the reason for your answer. Set A is even prime number. So we know even prime number is only one, that is number 2. Next, set B is set of x such that 7x minus 1 is equals to 13. So it is same way the sum which we have solved previously. We have to solve the equation, that is 7x minus 13, and get the value of x. Therefore 7x is equals to 13 plus 1. Therefore 7x is equals to 14. Therefore x is equals to 2. That means b is equals to 2. That is the, you can see that element of set A and B are same. Therefore set A is equals to set B. Very simple. Now let's see, next is types of sets. So let us understand what are the types of sets. First is singleton set. What is the meaning of singleton set? If a set contains exactly one element, such set is called as a singleton set. That means, for an example, A is equals to 4. So this set consists only one element, therefore it is singleton set. Next one is empty set. The word itself says empty. That means there would be no element. So a set which does not contain any elements is called empty set or a null set. An empty set is denoted by empty curly bracket or a symbol phi. So this is the notation for the null set or empty set. You can put empty curly bracket or you can put a symbol phi. For an example, P is equals to empty curly bracket. Next is finite set. If a counting process of elements of a set terminates, then such set is called as a finite set. That means if we are able to count the element of a set, then it is a finite set. For an example, B is equals to A, E, I, O, U. So we can count that there are 5 elements in set B. So it is easy to count. That's why it is a finite set. Next is infinite set. Infinite means the process of counting of element in an infinite set does not end. That means we are not able to count the elements of a set. Such set is an infinite set. So for an example, n is equals to 2, 4, 6, 8 and so on. So there are so on. That means we are not able to count there are how many elements. That's why it is an infinite set. So there are 4 type of sets: singleton set, empty set, finite set and infinite set. Let's see sums based on this. From practice set 1.2, which of the following are empty set and why? First one, A is a set of all A. A is a natural number smaller than 0. Natural number smaller than 0. We know that natural number starts from 1. So we don't have any element which is less than 0. So A is equals to empty curly bracket. So empty curly bracket means A is an empty set. Very easy. Next is B is a set of all x such that x square is equals to 0. See here one equation is that is x square equal to 0. So we have to solve that x square equal to 0. So we can take a square root on both the sides. So we'll get x is equals to 0 because square root of 0 is 0. So x is equals to 0. That means B consists one element, that is 0. So 0 is not an empty set. That 0 is counted as an element. So B has an element. Therefore, B is not an empty set because we have one element. Okay. Next, C is equals to, that is C is a set of all x such that 5x minus 2 equal to 0 and x belongs to natural number. So here again we have one equation. Let us find out the value of x. 5x minus 2 equal to 0. We'll shift minus 2 on other side. That means 5x is equals to 0 plus 2. So 0 plus 2 is 2. Therefore x is equals to 2 upon 5. But here x is belonging to natural number. That means x is not equal to 2 upon 5 because 2 upon 5 is not a natural number. Therefore, C is an empty bracket. So there is an empty bracket. That means C is an empty set. Next one, question number 4. Write with reason which of the following sets are finite or infinite. Finite means we are able to count. Infinite means we are not able to count. Let's see. First one, A is a set of all x such that x is less than 0 and x is a natural number. X is a natural number, but here we have one condition, it should be less than 10. So natural number less than 10 are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So here we are easily able to count the elements of set A. Therefore, set A is a finite set. Next one. B is a set of all y such that y is less than -1 and y is an integer. Integer means the numbers which are on number line, but we want y less than -1. Less than -1 means there are -2, -3, -4, -5 and so on. So there are infinite number. That means B is an infinite set. So this is how you have to solve and you have to practice the sums based on concept. So you have to do practice and get the confidence. Thank you so much.